In this video, we're looking at the area of a triangle using some trigonometry. So in elementary geometry, you've learned that the area of the triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. Now we will use that same idea with a little trig to derive some more formulas for area. So in case 1, we have two sides and the included angle, so that's side angle side. So we know that the area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. So we know that A to B is the base. We can use that as the base, so that would be little c. And if we use right triangle trig, we can write sine A equals h over b, the opposite over the hypotenuse. If we solve for h, that gives us b sine A, and then I can substitute c for base and b sine A for the height. And here's my first formula. Area equals 1/2 cb sine A. Note in the ebook that K is used for area. Okay, example 2.13. Find the area of a triangle ABC given the angle and the two sides. We have side angle side. I'm going to use area equals 1/2 CB sine A. And I just plug in my values and I get 9.53 units squared. For case 2, we're going to use 3 angles and any side. So we know angle, angle, angle plus one side. So we're going to use the law of sines, which is A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. And I'm only going to look at this second part right here. C over sine C equals B over sine B. Solve for C. And then now we're going to use the last equation from case 1, which is A equals 1/2 CB sine A. And I'm going to substitute for C, B sine C over sine B. So I'm going to make this substitution here, and then we're going to simplify this equation. So I have two b's here that are being multiplied. So that gives me b squared sine A sine C over 2 sine B. Notice we could have written this 3 other ways, depending upon which side is given. Example 2.14. Okay, in this triangle we're given all 3 angles and we're given little a. So we're going to use the first equation here. Area equals a squared sine B sine C over 2 sine A. Substitute for our knowns. And we get, for the area, 21.58 square units. So in case 3, we're looking at 3 sides, side, side, side. And for this case, we can use Heron's formula, which states for a triangle ABC with sides A, B, and C, we can let S, which is called the semi-perimeter, equal 1/2 times the quantity of the 3 sides added together. And then the area is the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Now this is a derivation from the law of cosines that I won't trouble you with, but you can find it in the ebook. Okay, example 2.15. Find the area of the triangle ABC given all 3 sides. So first let's find the semi-perimeter, which is 1/2 times the 3 sides added together, which gives us 8. And now we can use Heron's formula here. Substitute S in and all the sides in. And it's just a simple little equation. And we simplify it to root 96, which is 4 root 6, which is about 9.8 square units. So that's it. We can find the area of a triangle with side, angle, side, with angle, 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 and one side, or all three sides. Now try the practice set.